Hello everyone and welcome to this session. So today we are going to understand what is purchasing organization in the SAP MM and how we can do the configuration and how we can define the purchasing organization and assign the purchasing organization to the plant. Okay. So I will execute two different T code and we will try to understand what is the purchasing organization. Okay. So MB52. So this is the plant. Okay, this is our plant. So I have executed the warehouse stock for a plant. So I have the list. Okay, and I will execute another T code MKVZ, and here as we can see this is purchasing organization. Okay, so this I have entered the purchasing organization, and I am able to see my different supplier in the purchasing organization. Okay, and now let's talk about the difference between two. Okay, so at the both places I have used the same code as 1806, but the function are different. Okay, in the plant if I again execute, so under this plant we do the various kind of inventory activities, and we do various kind of inventory posting under this. Okay, and the purchasing activity we which we generally do, so this we do in a purchasing organization. Okay, so this particular purchasing organization, so the definition for a purchasing organization is the people or group of people which is responsible for conducting all the purchase related activities. Okay, so I will try to create one purchase order ME21N. Okay, I will just close this, and in the organization data, so you will find the purchasing organization here, and the plant you are able to see here. Okay, so these are two different things, purchasing organization and plant. So plant is the physical location which is used for the various kind of stock posting and inventory management, and purchasing organization is the organization which is responsible to conduct the various kind of purchasing activity. Okay, and now we are going to define the purchasing organization for our plant. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition. Under the material management we have maintain purchasing organization. So since we are going to define the new one, so I will click on the new entries and MSL, MSL, MSIL, MSIL Maruti Suzuki India Limited purchasing organization, and this is valid, and I will just save it. Since this is the configuration, I will create new. Okay, so this way you can manage your transport request. Okay, so we have created new. I will just go and MSL, click on the position. So this we have just created MSL, MSIL purchasing organization, and now we are going to do the assignment. Okay, under the assignment, material management. So we have first option, assign purchasing organization to the company code. Okay, so this purchasing activity you can do at the company level. I will give the company code here, MSIL. MSIL is our company. Save it and save it. Okay, we have assigned the company purchasing organization to the company code. Okay, and assign purchasing organization to the plant. Okay, so this assignment we need to do. I will click to the position So purchasing organization is 1806. 1500 is 1500. My plant is 1500. So okay, so we need to create new entries on purchasing organization MSL, and here we need to give the plant 1500. Okay, so MSIL purchasing organization is going to assign for the Maruti Suzuki Kharkhoda plant. Okay, and this we will save it, and we will create the transport request. Okay, I will just go to the position and check whether it is assigned or not. MSL. Okay, so this MSIL is assigned to the Maruti Suzuki Kharkhoda plant. Okay, and also if you want any want to assign the your purchasing organization as the standard purchasing organization, so you can do with this configuration. Okay. Okay, so this was definition of purchasing organization. I hope you understand the difference between plant and purchasing organization, and you understand how we can do the configuration. So if you like the video, please do comment on my video and subscribe to my channel for SAP EM and SAP plant maintenance. Thank you.